Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is International Day of Non-Violence 2024. Why in news? The International Day of Non-Violence is marked annually on 2nd October, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, reflecting on his philosophy and commitment towards non-violence as a means of political and social change in society. Historical context. The idea for an International Day of Non-Violence originated from a proposal by Iranian Nobel laureate Shirin Ebadi in 2004. It gained traction through discussions at the World Social Forum in Mumbai and was later supported by prominent Indian leaders. On 15th June 2007, the United Nations General Assembly declared 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. Importance of the day. The International Day of Non-Violence serves as a vital reminder of the power of peaceful means to resolve conflicts and achieve social and political change. In a world fraught with tension and conflict, this day emphasizes the importance of fostering peace through dialogue, education, and cultural understanding. It reminds us that non-violent methods, protest, persuasion, and civil disobedience have the power to drive significant societal progress. With many nations facing instability, spreading the message of non-violence has never been more crucial. Role of Mahatma Gandhi in the Indian national movement. Leadership in non-cooperation movement 1920 to 1922. Gandhi led the non-cooperation movement, urging Indians to boycott British goods, institutions, and titles, marking a significant mass mobilization against colonial rule. Introduction of Satyagraha. Gandhi's principle of non-violent resistance, that is Satyagraha, became a powerful tool for civil disobedience, beginning with the Champaran and Kheda movements, bringing attention to the plight of farmers. Transformation into a mass movement. Gandhi transformed the freedom struggle from an elite movement to a mass movement involving peasants, workers, and women, making it a truly national endeavor. Dandi March and Civil Disobedience Movement 1930. The Salt March symbolized defiance against unjust British laws, and the subsequent civil disobedience movement saw widespread defiance of British policies. Constructive programs. Gandhi promoted constructive work such as khadi spinning, removal of untouchability, and upliftment of rural India, which became part of the freedom struggle's core. Gandhi-Irwin Pact 1931 negotiated the pact leading to the suspension of the civil disobedience movement and the participation of Congress in the Second Roundtable Conference. Quit India Movement 1942. Gandhi's call for do or die during the Quit India movement led to widespread participation and the intensification of the demand for complete independence. Symbol of Indian aspiration. Gandhi emerged as the symbol of Indian aspirations for freedom, embodying the moral and ethical dimension of the struggle, influencing both leadership and masses. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about International Day of Non-Violence. This day is celebrated annually on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. On 15th June 2017, the United Nations General Assembly declared 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.